Good morning. Today we'll be talking about staking delphiniums. Some of you have asked how to stake delphiniums, so ask and you shall receive. Today I'll be using bamboo stakes. You can also use something like rebar, dowels, but bamboo stakes are my favorite. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to stake these delphiniums. So I take the stake, I'm essentially following the flower stalk down and just pushing it in there real well. Now you could also, like I said, use rebar or dowels. Now I'm not totally against the flower stalk. I'm just using the flower stalk as a guide, pushing it down in. Now I also have twine. It's brown twine. You can also use green string, netting, which I'll show you here in a few minutes. And for that, I would use something like twist ties to tie it into the canes or the poles and then move it up and down. Like I said, bamboo stakes and twine are my favorite. So before I get started here, there's little flower stalks here just forming. I'm tying so the base of the flower stalk will be right at the level of the twine. I'm just tying a few knots here. That's it. Now I'm going to come around to this next one. Tie it in. I just do a little loop. Right. Pull it. Again, you don't want to stake your delphinium spike straight to the cane. Wrap it. Now, if it's a little bit short, like say this flower stalk's a little bit taller, when these get a little bit bigger, I'll go right up to the base of that flower stalk, maybe just a hair above, to keep that heavy flower head from breaking. Almost done here. Again, just a few wraps around. I'm not going too tight with a string, because what will happen, it'll bend your canes. So once it's tight, what I do with it here, I just have utility can't talk this morning, utility knife here, and cutting it right there. And that is it. So I'm going to do a close-up video, what it looks like up close, and then I'll get over and I'll show you guys how to do some netting. All right, here's a close-up of what I was doing earlier. I have my stakes in the ground. I call them the whole thing a flower stalk, but you want to go up to the flower spike. Again, this one's a little bit shorter, so I'm not too worried about it, but I'm going to go about right there, it seems. Just put in a few twists, tie it, come around. Next one. I'm just finishing up over here where I started. Now, what you can do too is if you know roughly right where your flower spike is going to be, not stalk, like I said earlier. Trying to find my knife here. And that is it. Now, like I said, the flower spike here, I usually put it at the base, maybe just a little bit above. You can also leave these canes untrimmed. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna trim them a little bit. That way I don't poke my eye out. Give them a good little cut. It's a little bit cleaner look. But you do not have to trim these bamboo canes here. All right, everyone, I talked about netting your delphiniums as far as the support's concerned. And if you do not want to use twine. So what I have here is 4x4 netting that I got off Amazon. You might see it called climbing netting in gardening. I also have 1x2 stakes here that I trimmed using cup hooks as my attachment points for my netting. I also use the meadow green on these stakes for paint. It's okay, I don't know if I really care for it all that much. But what you're gonna do, you're gonna trim your netting for your area. And you want a little bit oversized so it drapes over the delphiniums. So not exact fit. So you're gonna attach it to your cup hooks and put it over your delphiniums. Just like that. Like I said, there's gonna be a little bit of the netting is gonna drape over. At height, it's hidden pretty well, even though this is bright, almost like a bright green netting. There's also black netting, clear netting. I decided to stick with the green. And if you ever want to adjust the height, just go up on your hooks. And same thing with tightening, just go to the next square and go ahead and the next square right on that cup hook there. Keep it nice and taut. And that is literally it if you want to support your delphiniums using netting. Now, if you like the bamboo and string, what I would do here is I would run 6 bamboo canes, 2 on each end, and then 2 in the middle, and run my string this way. But this is another way to stake your delphiniums, which is a little more hidden. Thanks for joining me, everybody. I hope you learned a lot on how to stake and support your delphiniums, and I hope it's a great success for you. I helped you. So if you like what you saw, go ahead and subscribe down below. I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye-bye.